That's when Ayurveda turns to its powerful plant allies, herbs that work directly on the mind and the nervous system to restore calm and clarity. Here are my 5 favorite Ayurvedic herbs. Gentle yet potent allies for grounding Vata and soothing the mind. So let's start with Ashwagandha. Earthy and strengthening. Ashwagandha helps the body adapt to stress and rebuilds energy when you're running on empty. It's warming and deeply nourishing, ideal for Vata, though it can aggravate Pitta even in small amounts. Or if there's inflammation or toxicity, ama, in the body, it can aggravate those. The next is Brahmi. This is one of my absolute favorites and a true lifesaver during stressful times. Brahmi is cooling, rejuvenating, and brings clarity. It nourishes the nervous system, enhances focus, and helps quiet the mental chatter. If ashwagandha feels too heating for you, Brahmi is a great alternative, especially if you're prone to headaches or feel mentally overheated. Then comes Tulsi, or holy basil, known as the queen of herbs. Tulsi is uplifting and protective. It steadies mood swings, eases anxiety, and strengthens the immune system through the colder months. A daily cup of Tulsi tea brings warmth to the body and the mind. Chatamansi is deeply grounding and helps quieten the mind for restful sleep. It supports clarity and recovery from mental exhaustion. Ideal when Vata's light and mobile nature keeps you awake or restless at night. And finally, licorice. Sweet, harmonizing, and balancing. Licorice supports the adrenal glands and soothes Vata's dryness. It's particularly good when long-term stress leaves you depleted or anxious. Ayurveda says that it is a local science. Wherever we live, nature offers timeless herbal wisdom. Same principles are found in our own hedgerows and gardens. These local herbs works in just the way in work. These local herbs work in just the same ways, calming the nervous system, grounding scattered energy, and supporting emotional resilience.